Back to the point. Gets down low. He shoots. He scores! The Oilers' goal coming off that rush as he got himself into the middle area and drove it home.
But, I mean, how many guys had a hand in this goal? I mean, it was perfect execution. Everybody that touched the puck passed it perfectly.
Well, he didn't mean to do that, but he blocked the shot. Nice play. Score! The answering goal. We're tied.
You want to see how accurate Paul Stastny is? Just watch him pick a corner.
Good wrist shot, and he scores! That high slot area, get a little room, take advantage of it. In a hurry, he did with a wrister.
No, you got to love this play from top to bottom. Not only the goal, Gary, but the assist. That was a thing of beauty.
To Avalanche. Big time. Oh, what a shot! Scores! And 2 unanswered goals. Good use of the wrists on that one. He snaps that baby home for a goal.
And, Gary, this was a sweet assist. I'm not sure the goal happens without it.